Okay, so I had a major problem, well, it seemed like a major problem with my van. It's a Nissan Primastar, the same as the Vivaro, Trafic, the engine and everything's the same. Real loss of power, particularly going up hills, spluttering, misfire, loads of smoke coming out the back. It was just, it was a really bad situation. I'd sort of almost given up on it, and then I discovered that when I was listening really careful, there was a really faint hissing under the engine here, and it was this there, the connection on this tiny little minuscule little vacuum hose. There was a split in there, and I think it had been getting longer and longer and longer, and that just came away just by touching it. It came away. So all I did was I cut it, put it back on properly, and it's running like a dream. So it could be as simple as that, a tiny little vacuum hose which is causing all of those problems, which many people might say it's the mass flow, it might be the EGR valve, it could be the carb, it could be the turbo going. It was literally just a little vacuum hose for less than £5. Hope that helps anybody out there.